Well, we got some onions started here, going along. Russet potatoes going in there. An experiment here. I'm gonna hold my cards close to my chest on this one. I'm not telling anybody what this one is just yet. And I got some daikon radishes going in this one. Daikon radishes, they get up to 7 inches long and 2 inches in diameter, so see how it is. Let's go inside and see what we got going on in the grow room and what I have on the planting table. Yeah, before I forget, got this 20-foot long beast here. We're going to put all of the protein tubs that we're growing inside of that. We got the roll of wire over there. Get that covered up, and we'll get all these protein tubs that we grow in moved into that. And hopefully, once we get that going and get it staked down, that'll keep the raccoons from messing with everything we've got. It's a little over 6 feet tall inside, so I should be able to get some decent pole beans going. I don't know, maybe even a stalk or two of corn. Now let's go inside and see what's happening. On the planting table, we've got some cherry bell radishes going into the pot here. You're gonna see, I say the pot, it's the planter. This thing's about 18 inches long, or about 6 inches deep. Gonna see how the cherry bell radishes grow in that. Got a couple extra russets here that are chittered out. I think I'm just going to toss those into a test pot, see what I can do with a mixture of straw and some soil, see what we come up with on that. Let's go to the grow room. I'm kind of proud of this little thing so far. We'll see what we got. Nothing growing in there yet, but it's looking good. Bought this place, the shop. I mean, that's a door, that's a barn door, and then over there, there's another barn door on the other side of that shelf, and each one of those goes into a horse stall. We don't have horses, nor do I want any horses, but you open this up, please excuse the storage of my table saw that I'm going to rebuild here. And here's the grow room as we've got it going on, and I'll turn on the grow light. You can kind of see what we have happening here. It's a Vivasun grow light. Probably going to get corrected by some people. I don't have it hung properly, but you know, you do what you can do. Got the Mylar on the wall for that. It stays pretty decent temperature wise inside of here, but inside of here, just to get them started growing, I've got oregano, 2 different types of basil, got romaine lettuce, got some collards going to be going, dill, chives, cilantro. I have never grown lavender before, and it says to throw it right on top of the soil, so that's what I did. Anybody out there knows about growing lavender, please let me know. And then this just says radish, but it's actually some more of the cherry bell radishes, which I absolutely love. I'm gonna see how this goes in here. Run this line about 12 hours. From 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. And then once everything gets up and growing pretty well, we get past the last frost, all of this will be transplanted outside. So getting ready for the spring. Want the gardens to grow here in the next couple of weeks, since we'll be getting closer to the time. Probably going to go ahead and start some squash and things like that and get them going too. Hope y'all are doing great. Y'all take care. Cranky out.